Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make gorditas. Gorditas is a dish that my abuelita would make for us ever since we were kids. She would make it for breakfast with some eggs and beans, so that's what I'm gonna show you today. So starting out with the masa, I'm gonna get 2 cups of maseca and 1.5 cups of water. The key is to keep the dough hydrated, so I occasionally wet my hands while I'm working with the masa. You don't want it to be cracking on the sides, but if it does, just add a little bit of water. So I just formed it into these little gorditas and I cooked them on the comal for about 7 to 8 minutes on each side on 5, 6, 7, 8 medium-low heat. So next, just open up a little pocket on the side, and it's best to do this when they're fresh off the comal. Now for the salsa. We're gonna use 2 tomatoes and 1 serrano, and we're just gonna add it to some boiling water. And just boil them until the tomatoes start peeling. And you can add it to the blender with 1/2 cup of the water that you use to boil it. Oh, sorry, baby. So now I'm gonna chop up 1/4 of a white onion so we can fry it with the eggs. So add the onions to the pan with some oil, and then once they start cooking a little bit, you can add the eggs. Once the eggs are fully cooked, then you can add the salsa. For the black beans, I got some beans that I cooked earlier this week and added them to the saucepan with some cumin and mashed them up for you guys. Mash them up.
Listo!
Y listo! Shout out to Jenny Martinez. I love her videos. Alright, let me finish first real quick. Okay, so now we just put everything together. So I started out with putting the beans at the bottom, and then I did a layer of the eggs with salsa, and then just topped it with some queso fresco. Alright guys, so here we have the finished product. It looks so good and it smells delicious. And if you guys like this recipe, make sure to check out my other recipe from last week, which I made chilaquiles. So yeah, let's have a taste. Oh my god. That's really good.